cried Charlie. Who is Mr. Wonka using to do all the work in the factory? Nobody knows, Charlie, but that's
Absurd.
absurd, answered.
Hasn't
Someone asked Mr. Wonka? Nobody sees him anymore. He never comes out. The only things that come out of the place are chocolates and sweets. They come out through a special trap
yes.
door in the wall, all packed and addressed,
Good.
and they are picked up every day by post office trucks. But Grandpa, what sort of people are they that work in there? My dear boy, said Grandpa Joe, that is one of the great mysteries of the chocolate-making world. We know only one thing about them. They are very small,
Faint.
shadows that sometimes appear behind the windows, especially late at night when the lights are on. Those of tiny people, no taller than my knee. There aren't any such people, Charlie said.
Oh, we'll do this last page and then we'll finish chapter 4.
Then Mr. Bucket, Charlie's father, came into the room. He was home from the toothpaste factory, and he was waving and evening newspapers.
Yes.
Rather excitedly, have you heard the news? He cried. He held up the paper so that they could see the huge headline. The headline said, Wonka Factory to be opened at last to Lachie few.
Good. So that's chapter 4 of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory done. And the next one is chapter 5. What does that say?
The golden tickets.
The golden tickets.